6 months ago, I thought I was doing everything right. I thought I was healthy, but I was completely wrong.
And if you're watching this feeling tired, confused, or scared about your health, this story is for you.
It was just supposed to be a routine physical. I hadn't seen a doctor in almost 2 years. I figured I'd get in, get out, everything would be fine.
Alex, I'm glad you came in for this checkup. Your blood work shows something we need to address immediately.
Your fasting blood sugar is 118 milligrams a deciliters.
Yeah?
Your HbA1c is 6.2%. You're pre-diabetic.
I felt like the floor dropped it out from under me. Pre-diabetic? That's what happens to old people, right? People who eat fast food. But Dr. John, I eat healthy. I have yogurt and granola for breakfast. I buy low-fat everything. I don't even drink soda anymore.
Yeah.
But what Dr. John told was surprising. I never heard that before.
I know you think you're eating healthy, and that's exactly the problem we need to solve. Can you walk me through a typical day of eating? I mean, your daily eating routine. Well, I start with orange juice, fresh squeezed when I can. Then low-fat vanilla yogurt for lunch, usually a whole wheat sandwich with...
Right.
If I'm hungry in the afternoon, I grab a cereal bar, the healthy kind.
Yeah.
Dinner is pasta with tomato sauce, or sometimes chicken with rice. What Dr. John did next completely shocked me. This is how he explained everything. Let's count the sugar in just your breakfast, Alex. That glass of orange juice, even the fresh kind, about 21 grams of sugar, 6 cubes. Your low-fat vanilla yogurt, because they removed the fat, they added 16 grams of sugar to make it taste good. The granola, another 12 grams, 3 more cubes. That healthy breakfast just gave you 49 grams of sugar before 9 a.m. The food industry has been lying to us for decades, and they replace fat with sugar, and your body is screaming for help. The fatigue you've been feeling is because your blood sugar crashes. The tingling in your feet is early nerve damage from high glucose. The brain fog? Yeah, your talk bubble been log. Your cells are starving because they can't access energy properly anymore. That moment, seeing those sugar cubes piled up, I realized I'd been poisoning myself while thinking I was being healthy. Dr. John could have just given me a pamphlet and sent me home, but he told me exactly what was happening inside my body. And for the first time in my life, I was so scared about my health after knowing what's happening inside me. Alex, we're at a crossroads. I need to be completely honest with you about what comes next. Path 1, you continue eating the way you have been, and within 5 years, maybe less, your prediabetes becomes type 2 diabetes. And that brings heart disease, kidney failure, nerve damage, blindness. Path 2, you fight back.
Yeah.
Right now, today, you change your diet, you move your body, and we reverse this before it's too late.
Can it really be reversed? Is that actually possible?
No. Yes. There's a study called the Diabetes Prevention Program. People just like you have reduced their chance of getting diabetes by 58% with simple lifestyle changes. For you, that's about 12 to 15 pounds. It's not impossible, just consistent, smart changes. People just like you have reduced their chance of getting diabetes by 58% with simple lifestyle changes. I'm going to give you a plan. Follow this strictly and see the results.
And that piece of paper became my lifeline. Plan was simple, only 4 core changes, and that's it.
Rule number 1, ditch the liquid sugar, because sugary drinks are directly linked to diabetes risk. Rule 2, only foods with balanced diet every meal around protein, healthy fats, and fiber. These 3 things became my foundation.
Rule 3, fiber is your friend. Dr. John said fiber slows down sugar absorption. It's like a protective shield. And I started eating beans, lentils, vegetables at every meal. My cravings, they disappeared within 2 weeks. Rule 4, move your body. Just 30 minutes, 5 days a week.
I didn't need it to become a gym rat. Just walk.
Walking doesn't just burn calories, it makes your cells sensitive to insulin again. It fixes the core problem.
So why am I telling you all this? Because I was you 6 months ago.
He was Alex, but it could be you. Take action before it's late. I'm Dr. John, and if you find this helpful, subscribe for more.